Chapter 28 Sparrows Dawn to Study Luck Mahichand Grunto Lady and Makeup Lemnisa is not finite or limited. He dwells in all beings from ancients to the God Brahma. He provides all Sai Brahmas well versed in the knowledge of Vedas, as well as the science of self-predation as he was a profession both which was not well fit to be Sadguru. Even though he learned not able to awaken disciplines, establish self-realization, does not deserve to be Sadguru. All the mother gives the birth to the body, death the immortal body. The Sadguru deserves both life and death, so is more kind and merciful than anyone. Sai Baba often said, let him make man not any distance thousands scores away from him. He will down to study his sparrow to return his fate. His chapter describes stories of three sparrows. Uh, Lala, Lavington, and the centenars of serving the railway later. The student doctors in Bombay there for the former pharmacists. Rowdy brothers Muslim he met the 719 and 2 months before Krishna saw from Santa Cruz. He think the old man was the years and surrounded by this with the Sunday later went to friend's house instead of an engineer. Here the curtain of Das Gonu, it was playing practice of the to hit the Baba Krishna in front of audience with Prakash Krishna. Let's just surprise to the features almost on the dream exactly those features are seen into confession that almost on the dream of Sai Baba himself. The site of Alexa Das Gonu Krishna was like site Kakana resource of Das Gonu disclosed all the deep impression Lakshmi made the mind to put his faith and the ever experience of the Bhaktas that God is sufficient the search. Sadhguru for the spiritual endeavors. That very night, 8 p.m., a friend named Shankara knocked to the Lakshmi Center, asking whether he would company for study is no bounds reserved to studies, however, 15 from his cousin to make the preparations late for study. While the train bound, Sri Lakshmi Thomas from some Bajanas and Karim Sai Baba for Muhammadans were returning. The study who to the Sai was a great saint in history for many years. When they reached Kopi Ragan, Lakshmi wanted to buy some guavas for Sai Baba, but he also interested in the local sinners as he forgot to purchase some of your medicine. He mentioned the guavas that's in old man basket of guavas he had running after Ganga. The old Tanga brought to the smoking gladly purchased some fresh fruit to the woman said, take all the rest of it to become of Baba Bhavati Sankara Ashtonis and Lakshmi Chanda. In terms of process, for had forgone to do no suddenly the income of man selling guavas were to Baba. Lakshmi Chandra Kura is very woman to replace and the old man has dream. Shankar and Lakshmi continued to the journey as they nurtured. They saw the flags and almost saluted them with Posam Vrindavan. They learned to miss the worship Baba with due for Lakshmi was moved with extra happiness. Baba listened to Baba Fitus with his smiling notice. The Baba spoke as follow. Cunning Flokidas was an on wicket to made increase of others why as offers. We should see everything in our own eyes. We necessary question just think of yourself in the dream which you are not. Whereas the necessary version taken alone from our cousin is a hot desert satisfied. Hearing the soul listeners understood Baba Muslim went to those to know Baba came to about them happened the road to study. The chief thing to notice respect the Baba now like to people to under for making darshan or celebrating holiday making manipulative just Sansa at noon Malaysian sitting for meals results from Sansa from a dairy research was placed to have the next week with nothing to so gave to him at the noon at the day of Arthik Bausan Jogasta Baba Roshabdin Vidya Baba told him bring banan Sansa. The doctor told two pair of Sansa Lakshmi was suffering the back pain was hungry. Baba said it is good that you have rejection Sansa medicines for the pain of back pain. There's no rest to Baba and Malan spoke about that thinking. His omniscient Baba. Evil eye on the occasion Lakshmi's witnessed the night question showered at the time Baba suffered a bad cold. Lakshmi saw the suffering of the Baba might due to somebody's evil eye. The next morning he went to Masjid was Baba spoke to Shankar for last minute bad cold due to some evil eye. I think somebody was worked on me so I'm suffering in this case Baba spoke out what was known Lakshmi can mind. Seeing the proof of Baba Robinson and kindness to his Bhaktas, nine people posted Baba said I am very pleased with the darshan, be kind, merciful, protect you always. There is no other God to me in this world. I worship bound on the lotus feet. Let my mind ever wrapped up passion, freedom, what grace protects me, inspires me to all let me chant and be happy. After listening Baba Udin blessings from this friend return to home singing Baba's glory was blessed to content Baba Krishna 17 such devotees. Garlands of flowers come from Dakshinavati any person who knew going to sing a Shirdi. Burhanpur lady. Now let us meet another sparrow. Baba would meaning devotee. In the dream, Lady Blue saw the Sai Baba coming to the begging Kichadis for his meal upon waking. She also noticed the release in the dream. She was on the place with and told her husband about He was employed in the postal department to Guraloka. Both husband were in the devote to decided to go study. Then several days they left for study. After visiting Gomandatrip, which was the day they studied for 2 months, every day the couple went to masjid, performed Baba worship and fasted. Happily, they had to come to study of a Kasidas Naivitya. But for the first 14 days, no opportunity offered. They did not like this was on the 14 days into Masjid with their Kasiri. Then she found Baba and was waiting for the meals of certain room. The lady was over, not where she opened the curtain and strange to say, Baba since I actually wanted to dish first. When the lady came, they said Baba returned began to eat the morsel after morsel. It was saying the Anas Baba transferred. Everyone understood the story. Kichari is mentioned. Baba extended love of his devotees. Mega. Now let us discuss the third and biggest pharaoh. Mega of Aganpur was simple and literary Brahmin cook of Pharaoh Bahadur Hachi Sati. He was beautiful, he was always chanted 5 syllabus mantra. Namah Shivaya. Mega did not know the Shandya, non Chief Mantra Gayatri Rao, Chandra employees of India taught him. Sundar Gayatri, Sati told him Sai Baba studio was embodied in the Lord Shiva wedding start of Shirdi. At the approach, railway station Island is Sai Baba was mostly in his simple Orthodox when came to the student. Whatever prospered the born to Muslim kid that his master takes on a begged instruction but some parents have to go to give him the letter introduction. Mega was instructed to give the letter of his master and father-in-law, Damodar Alisa. Let's get about the Sai Baba, the letter of the interest to Mega to Sai Baba and Mega receiving intuition. Baba was enduring would not allow him to pick out the rascal to Baba. Then he said, Mega, you are high class Brahman, low class Muslim, will close class. Coming here, so get away here and losing of Trumbull. He wonder how Baba came to know pass in his mind. Mega studying city for several days, growing Baba in his moment, but remained unconvinced. He went home falling into Thunanburg, where she studied years and a half, and once again returned to study this time and children the other Mega Salat and Thomas. Sai Baba helped Mega to note rural instructions. He worked upon Mega internally. With the result also considerable change and when the result Mega began to look upon Sai Baba international. In order to worship Shiva, Bell is a rocket Mega used to go miles and miles every day. Worship in the Shiva. His practice was to worship gods in the village. Then come to Masjid and after selecting Baba to worship Baba. Then after performing some services to Baba, Mega drank washing of Baba feet. Once it happened, he came to Master with a Roshan God Kamas for the compressed Baba did not accept his worship. Sometime the door and ten was now open. Maya left at home, open worship that and returned to Baba as usual. Ganges bath on Makar Sankranti day, Mega wanted to be small of the body. Basement of the body of Baba, the central priest, bath in the Ganges water. Baba was first on into Antarctica, but received mega repression. He consented to transfer distance of 8 crores to bring the scared water from Gomati River. After about the water, Mega orders bath on noon and asked Baba to get rid. Then Baba again asked him to be freed from it, saying that the party had nothing to do with the Ganges River, but Mega did not listen to the Basha. This water Ganges of court must give his Shiva. Scared Batan Susan Baba considered the king to set something head over here. At least do this favor since that is most important part of the body. Pour water only over it. It is equal to the full body, but alright to make a 10 quart of water. Now this thing is only with the low pressure. Hare Ganga and the cotton bath entire body. Then put aside began to look at water supply some into the Baba. Water and some quite dry. Threatened and Pindi, Meha worship Baba in place of 2 minutes in the Masjid worship Baba. Persons on worship from Baba with Sayer Gunjan worship Sandhana Mega carried over the practice of 12 months in not to appreciate devotion confirms faith. Baba given a Shayli Manas and Austin line of the Daisa came to Nava piece of Eli Baba from Baba knowing them through the Akshantra. So Mega draw the gradient and disappear. Here in the Baba Seva Panda but not see Baba only saw the response for the stone. Mega went to Baba, told him the vision asked for permission to start and Baba said, "You do not get my vision, but to draw the it was no vision. Direct order, but my words are always of meaning." Mega replied, "I thought you woke me, all the doors are closed, so to listen." Baba reason, I required no doubt that I have no form of listening, the one carries a wire fuller. Action on trust me, my response. Mega returned to Vada and Rude, returned and Baba next day honestly. Selected Pindi, Mega was present at the same time Baba settings. Shankar has come to protect him now. Mega suppressed Pindi following other Trident Kaga was on water was standing with a towel head, taking blood was response of painting and television, while he was something about this. Mega came to show him the assembly show happy to know that 20 years exactly. Few minutes minutes from 8 days later after drawing the Trident Baba and still continuing the large picture. Mega sexual the Oshi was to make an arrangement to arrange Trident instead of the painting Baba